Canceling your Kachava subscription or order is really easy to do. First thing you need to do is you just need to go into the kachava.com website. Once you're on the website, you actually need to sign into your account, which you can do in the top right hand corner like I am so here. And you basically just want to go down to this option called order history right here. You can see right here, if we click on order history, you can view all of your orders. We just want to click on any order, just click on the view all option down here. And once you're on this page, you'll basically be able to see that you can view all of your orders, the currently ones that are active. Just keep in mind that if your order does go into fulfillment, you actually cannot cancel your order. But if you want to cancel your subscription, which also cancels your order, you just go to subscriptions just on this tab right here. Click on subscriptions once you're here, and you can actually see we can scroll down to this page called manage subscription. When you click on this, you guys can see it'll bring you to this page like so, where you want to scroll down to the very bottom, and you can see you can always modify it if you want to add certain stuff, like add more Kachava or add a bottle to your subscription. Or if you want to skip this order just because you have too much at your house right now, you can also do that, or you can click on the cancel option at the very bottom in the small text, of course, down here, and clicking on cancel will cancel your subscription. And it's just important to note that they do send you an email 3 days before their order actually goes into existence every month, so you have time to react to cancel it just on this page like so.